Very nice car. Whoa, we have a very big bus. It's a terminal bus. Wow, very nice bus. I like it. Then we have an YOLO car. YOLO car are very nice. It's a V2 racing car. Wow. Then we have an helicopter. I like it. It's a very nice helicopter. It can just fire like this. Like this also. See guys? It's very powerful. Then we have a small vehicle. It's very nice. It can just put things in this gap and help this type of trucks. Okay. We have an also very FT future car. It's very nice, but I like it. Then we have an auto rickshaw. It's like an CNG. It's, I think CNG's tire are stuck. Okay, no problem. Very nice. I like it. Whoa, very big Beku. I like Bekus. Do you like? Wow. Whoa. Very nice Beku. Then we have an war victorious army tank. It can just fire like this. Boom. Then we have an K99 model tank. It's very powerful. You know guys. Oh no. Then we